Okay guys, here's the plan. What my plan is, I need to make some bandito bugs for me to use on Texas rigs and the 4.5 inch bandito bug to put on the back of wobbleheads. So I'm gonna make a few green pumpkin bandito bugs. This is the 4 inch, this is the 4.5 inch. I should have some more 4 inch molds coming in because I kind of like shooting the 4 inch mold. I'm gonna get it in a 6 cavity on stone, and I'm just gonna spray paint it to make it go glossy and not to oil it. So it should be like a mold, probably there, double-sided. Gonna take a lot of plastic, but I'll let you see the plastic in the first injection. We're gonna shoot the 4 inch first, and we're gonna shoot both molds. I just pulled the second mold out, so I haven't cleaned up much. But it looks like I'm gonna have to repaint this. If you can tell, because it starts to wear through where the paint is. I'm about to have to repaint that one. I have a few others. Give me a second. I can show you while that thing's heating up. I have a couple others just sitting out here. I spray painted them. We have the Rage Crawl, and it's spray painted. The Ned rig, the Essential Ned, and Essential Ripper 3 inch. Okay, again we're doing this. The 4 inch molds are in there. The clamp plastic just got done, I think. Check it real quick. Always use gloves. Don't be like me and be stupid and not use gloves. It's hot. I'm gonna inject these real quick. I'm gonna try to get in the camera, but I'll try. Here we go. First injection for the first 2 bandito bugs. Fill off the screw. Injection 2. Fill off the sprue. Double them off, and reject all the last plastic. They've been sitting for about a minute now, I think. The screws are still hot, so I'm gonna give them a little longer. Okay, there's number 1. I'll have to give you a good shot of it in the light. You might be able to get the better green out of it, but there's number 1. There's number 2. With a little bit of flashing on it, so I'll have to put it a little bit tighter, but they're good enough for me to go flipping with. That's number 1, the second shot. There's number 3 of the baits we have. Good, shot good, clean. Number 4, all I gotta need is 2 more and I think I'll be good. This is number 4 though. Good, clean shot. Okay, the last 2 are in there. And then all we're gonna need of the 4.5s is I think about 2 or 3. I'll probably just shoot 2. I don't use them much in the back of wobbleheads, but when I do, I use them. We got these in there cooling, and I'll show you them. There's the last 2. We had a little bit of an issue when I was pulling this one apart. The sprue hadn't cooled down completely, but the bait had, so I had a little bit of this come out. So I can just pull that off and throw it back in. But there's the last 2, the 4 inch D-bombs. Now to shoot 2 of the 4.5 inch D-bombs. Okay, it looks like we might only get 1 out of this. So I injected it. We might be able to get a second one out of that, but I injected it, feel off the sprue. It's the first 4.5 inch right there. Now just let it cool and be right back. There she is. There's the 4.5 inch D-bomb. Take her out. Very heavy. A lot of plastics in that bad boy. Look at how bad that thing's swaying. Well, right there's the last bait. And thank you guys for watching. I might do a video about how to rig these up and everything. I might. Right there's the haul for the day, plus that one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll try to do more bandito bug videos in the future. I'm trying to get that mold right now. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.